So this is one of my first Vuforia Studio experiences, and in this scenario I'm going to be simulating a bad valve that has to be replaced at a plant. The user will walk through various steps to complete the procedure of replacing that valve, including locating the part, inspecting it, replacing it, and then verifying that the work has been done. So let's get started. So first we'll scan our thing mark, and as you can see I've actually put the thing mark on the floor here just so we can see the entire assembly and make sure we get a good view of each of the different steps. First step being to locate that part. So very simply here, put a bounding box around that part to make sure that you know exactly where that is. And ideally that part number might be dynamically fed into this tag as well as the work orders that go along with it. Okay, now that we've identified the part, go through and inspect it. So besides doing a physical and visual inspection of this part, we can feed in thing data that would be letting us know the pressure of this particular valve. And as you can see, we have some fluctuating pressure, which in turn would tell us that this part does actually need to be replaced. So let's get into the replacement procedure here. We've created little markers here for 1, 2, 3, showing you each of the different steps that have to take place during this animation or during this replacement procedure. First one being to shut off the adjacent valve. Next one, turning the gate valve and then removing the bolts and the actual valve part to be replaced itself. By using a little reset button here, I can actually play this over and over so that we don't need to miss any of the steps. Okay, now that the work has actually been completed, we can go in and verify that it's been done by checking this checkbox, and in turn that would send off a date timestamp to the system confirming that that work has been done. And that completes this demo.